e.l.f.'s cream liner in black with Sigma's L06 brush. I like to start off my eyeliner on the ends of my eye. I'll just take the brush and create a small line going upwards, and then I go ahead and just connect from the end of the line that I had just created to my lash line, and then I will obviously also just fill everything in. Finish filling in that part of the wing, I'll go ahead and go to the inner corner of my eye and just start making the lines connect from the inner corner to that previous section that I had started off with. Taking Wet n Wild's Mega Liner, I'm going to go ahead and just go over that cream liner that I just previously applied. I like doing this step because I kind of feel like it sets that gel liner in place as opposed to just leaving the gel liner alone. I'll go ahead and just take a matte black eyeshadow and just go over the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This step I haven't always done, but I kind of started doing this. It really just mattifies the look even more, and it just makes it a lot more darker. And I don't know why I did this one day, but I just really like the way it looks all together. So this is another step I added to my eyeliner routine. So to really ensure that I get a sharp and clean line, I'll take a concealer, the foundation I'm using that day, and an angled brush and just run it along the ends to make sure it's very sharp. Or if you do your eyes first, you could always just use a makeup wipe or any makeup remover to help clean up that wing. Then I'll just go ahead and apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then apply my falsies. These are Loom lashes in the style Amour, obviously. I'll have their information listed down below. But that's the last step really for my eyeliner tutorial. I really hope this, helps some of you if you're having trouble with eyeliner. I know it's very hard, but really if you just keep practicing, that'll definitely help you out. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Leave any requests you might have down below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!